Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're putting the Super Duty rear end with the Artec truss in the JK. Alex and I are running to check on the axles for the Jeep. Let's get started. Here we go. Here's the Ford Super Duty Sterling axle. It's ready to go in the JK. Here's some arms here that I got just to put it up on all fours before I buy some rock collars. This will be the fun tomorrow. There's Hank the shop dog. All right. Got the upper, or sorry. All right, I got the lower control arms in. There's what she looks like tonight. Used a cherry picker to pick up the frame. Rolled the roller tires and the Super Duty Sterling underneath it with the Artec truss. And of course the bottom of the frame is sitting on the ground, so we're not going to have a 4-foot tall bumper like it shows here. Alright, that's it for tonight. Start on it again tomorrow. Here is a little bit better lighting. As I said, both the upper rear control arms are in. I did place one of the lower control arms just in the bottom to see how well it fit. Looks like everything will line up. Got some 4-inch springs that were on Marketplace for a song, so I put them in just to get this thing rolling. Then I'll probably switch out to 3.5-inch rock crawler. Wanted to get a video of this while it's still somewhat daylight outside. I got all the grade 8, well, not all of it, but most of it, grade 8 hardware installed. Had to take out all those other bolts. So basically I started from scratch again today. But like I said, grade 8 hardware. Now, if I were you, I would try to get this where you buy it by the pound, because if you buy grade 8 hardware at a big box store instead of a Tractor Supply type place, you're going to end up spending about $64 for maybe half of what you need as far as the suspension, as far as the control arms. And I think I got about 3/4 of it before they ran out of supplies. So this is it. I'll get a back bumper skewed because of messed up, but get an idea. These are 35s, like I said before, on 20-inch wheels. They're just rollers. 4-inch suspension by Rough Country. Like I said before, it'll be coming out for a 3.5 inch. Used R-Tech, like I said before. Truss, I mean. I'm sure I'll have to do a lot of work with this suspension still. Like I said, I bought those regular factory control arms just so I could get it rolling. They're not going to be there very long at all. Now I know what you're thinking. You're sitting there going, you're missing half the stuff. Your shocks aren't on, your shocks aren't hooked up, your nothing's hooked up in the back. Well, that's true. It's not going to be hooked up. I'm buying all new stuff. That's what you do when you start from this. I've had a couple people ask me about the pinion angle already, and there's no weight on that thing whatsoever at all. And I just got those arms, those control arms, to make it roll. There will need to be control arms that are adjustable and a lot longer in order to make this thing function correctly. This is just to make it roll, y'all. I want to thank everybody for liking, subscribing, and commenting down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet. You spend way too much time fixing these things if it's put up wet or burned in this matter.